Hi, Dave here from Auto Trader Profit, and I have a riddle for you today. Could you make money by flipping a coin like this? Do you think it's impossible? I can guarantee you it's not. I'll reveal exactly why it's possible in just a minute, but for now, just play along with the riddle. When we're young, we're all taught that flipping a coin is pure chance. Just look. It comes up heads. But now watch. Sure enough, tails. Over a long enough period of time, the odds of a coin turning up heads or tails is about 50-50. But if you know what you're doing, it's still completely possible to make money by flipping a coin. How? Well, imagine this scenario. I come up to you and I say I'm going to challenge you to a coin flipping contest. I take heads, you take tails. I'm so sure of the chances that it will come up heads more often, I offer you $50 for every time you win, while you only have to pay me $10 every time you lose. Would you take that offer? You bet you would. And that's how you can make money by betting on a coin toss, by only betting if you have favorable terms. Now, why am I bothering you with this funny little riddle today? Well, maybe you've seen those ads on Google or YouTube where someone promises you that you can make money on the Forex market. They promise you riches untold just by trading currencies on your computer in your spare time. But unless you have special insider knowledge about the market, you're not likely to make any money. Why? Because you're flipping a coin without having favorable terms. But what if there was a way to have favorable terms when you trade the Forex or stock market? What if you could turn the tables to your advantage, making $5 every time you win while never risking more than $1 you invested? How would you like to trade on those terms? Would you invest your retirement savings? Would you bet your house on it? How about your kid's college fund? Of course. When the upside is more than 5 times what you invested, trading makes all the sense in the world. And I've discovered a way that you can do exactly that. It's called Auto Trader Profit. Auto Trader Profit is a binary options trading robot that has been developed by some of the brightest financial engineers in the world. Now, what are binary options? They're a type of trade that net you a profit of 85% if you win. So, for example, if you put $1,000 into a binary options trade, you gain $850. Or if you put in $10,000, you get $8,500. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most binary options trades take just 60 seconds to close, so you can trade dozens or even hundreds of times a day. Imagine the profit you could be earning if you traded 10 times a day at 85% profit. It would beat any returns you could get in the stock market by a landslide. And remember, the payout is 85% even if the upside of your trade is only 1%. All you need to do is accurately call the direction of the trade, and you immediately get the full 85% profit. That's the magic of options. There's just one catch. You need solid information on what direction the trend is heading in. Otherwise, you could end up being wrong more often than right. What Auto Trader Profit does is analyze market trends for you and give you signals or indicators as to the direction they're going in. If you were trying to pick trends by yourself, you might never make any money. You could spend days analyzing stock charts and still not come up with the right answer. It would be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Auto Trader Profit takes care of all the guesswork for you. Using a sophisticated quantitative algorithm, it analyzes the entire market and delivers the most winning signals to your computer automatically. This is known as quant trading, and it's the exact same method that some of the world's top hedge funds rely on to get returns that most traders can only dream about. Auto Trader Profit was developed by an elite team of financial programmers who have worked with some of the largest and most successful trading companies in the world. In a matter of seconds, it evaluates millions of pieces of data about the market and provides you with signals that practically tell you what trades to make. All you need to do is physically make the trade. Oh, and did I tell you? It's free. Yeah. It costs you nothing to get started with Auto Trader Profit today. Seriously, do you see a buy button anywhere on this page? All you need to do to claim your Auto Trader Profit software is fill out your name on the form. It costs you nothing to own the most powerful trading software in the world, and you're under no obligation to use it, so here's how to get started. First, enter your name and email address in the form on this page. Next, read the instructions on the page that you're redirected to. To find out what you need to do next, finally you'll head over to your email account and confirm that we got your info correct. That's literally all you have to do to get started with AutoTrader Profit. So, what are you waiting for? Enter your name and email address to get started. Cheers.